Good morning, everybody. We're going out deep again today. Now our goal today is to find the bait balls again, cigar minnows, and we're gonna chase bait. We're gonna just keep casting, catch them, zabiggies, and then just chase the bait balls around. And hopefully we can get into some more blackfins and hit some amberjacks. Oh, it's about time. Said those birds are diving. Those gotta be pilchards. Yes, guys, get your buckets. Ah, we are set. Good job, Brandon. Woo! Yeah, yeah. That's my boy. Now get your hands wet, guys. Stick them in the bucket so you don't kill them. Just get your hands wet.
Start grabbing like tennis.
Man, it's been a while since we've been able to catch these. We know there's bait out deep, but you don't want to drive 30 miles out there and get out there and not have bait. So we're gonna at least catch what we can now. Whether it works for what we're trying to catch, at least we have some bait to try and catch something. Here, he's flattening out. Aw, look at him. You can hold him.
Are these their gills?
Yeah, they suck water. Yeah, that's the gills in front of their fins.
Show Mom.
Good, go show Mom. Yeah. Check it out, Mom.
He's flattening. Do you want to hold
I think that's a porcupine pup.
Oh my goodness.
He's docile right now. Usually they puff up. See if I can make him puff up. All right, let him go, sweetheart. God made some pretty cool critters, didn't he?
Yeah.
Ball it up a little bit more. Oh my goodness.
They're hard.
Yeah.
Gotta get him in quick, man. Come on. Oh, he's gonna jump.
What is that? That's a tuna. I saw it. That's a tuna. There he is. Oh yeah. Here we go.
Woo! Oh, he's hooked funny. He's already bleeding.
That's is that a Bonito? Still good bait.
Coming in. In the bucket. Get him in the bucket so we don't bleed.
Such good bait, too.
Perfect.
Good
Nice.
bait.
Ben, feed that line out.
Right, Daddy?
Well, I've seen people eat them before.
We've eaten them. If I do it, we might do them like a steak.
Ooh, yeah.
They're very red meat, though.
I've seen people even do sushi with them.
Yep.
There we go. Woo! Hooked up. God, it's not biting that hard.
They won't at first.
Excuse me. I'm gonna keep it tight with that.
Come on, man. I'm bringing this motor out of the water.
Yeah.
Another Bonito maybe, or an amberjack. It might be an amberjack.
There we go. I got him tired out.
All right.
And they were. Yep. Here he comes. No, I don't think it's an amberjack. Here he is. Hey, maybe it is an amberjack. He's got big head shakes. There he is.
Wow, he's down there a ways. Looks like an AJ to me. Here, Ellie. You got the hook? All right, look on my hand. Good one, B, on that little stinky rod.
Yeah, that was a fight. Nice rock.
That's the biggest amberjack I've ever seen.
They get a lot bigger than that.
You want to give him a kiss? Come on, give him a kiss. Everybody wants to see a kiss of the fish. That would be a keeper.
Yeah, in about 30 days.
Less than 30 now.
Oh yeah, true.
All right, get him in the water. Fish on. Man, that's bizarre. All right, get that motor up. Ben, you still out?
Yeah.
Good. Where's he at?
No clue.
Keep feeding him line.
Dad.
Yep, keep feeding him line. He's trying to get back with the school. That's exactly what you want.
Thank goodness everybody left. It was
Hey,
chaos.
what do you got? Close your bail and check the tension on there. You see if you got one on. Now it's gonna run.
Oh, wait, Ben got one too. Doubled up. Woo! Let's go.
Uh-oh.
All right, yours is going that way, Dad. Yours is going under him. So you're gonna go up front. Ben, you're gonna go behind Dad.
No, Ben, go up.
Ben, go up front. That's better.
Keep that pole bent. Do not give him a slack like that.
Yep.
Okay, mine's up. Looks like it could be a Bonito. He's big.
Oh my gosh.
It's a Barracuda.
Yeah.
You have to be Barracuda.
Okay.
Get him. Get him. Look at that. He bit it right in half. Look at that.
That was insane.
See if he'll come back for it. Get him in. That's what's been fighting us off.
There he is.
Watch it. He's got the fish in his mouth. He's not. He's just gonna hide under the boat now.
Still got it?
Oh, look at that! Oh, you have a bear. You had a barracuda that whole time, and he just ripped you off.
No, the Barracuda came up and ate his fish.
Sharks is what they look like. That or dusky.
Oh! Wait, they...
He did. I see my hook.
No, I...
Look at, he's right there. Look at, he's getting chased. Oh yeah!
He's got it. Look at your line's going.
So he stuck a mullet on there. Ah, look at, he's right on top. Maybe that's that big Barracuda for once.
Let's hope.
What the damage is. Hey, you got a damage report for us?
Jeez.
Yeah, life is not good. Now you know that's a Barracuda because those big teeth that are on the outside.
Like on the...
Oh my gosh. Just split him right in half.
Throw them up on that.
Like on this.
All right, let's get this other pole rigged up, but we know what we're battling with now.
That way. He's right in it.
Get ready. You 2 hands on that pole at all times.
Yep.
We're predator fishing. I'm throwing this in.
Oh my god. There we go. Do it.
That's that Barracuda. That ain't good.
Oh.
Ben, come and man this other pole here. Just keep your eye on it. Close that bail. You're probably not going to get him in. What do you got on there? A 50 pound?
50 pound. We might.
Pay attention to that one.
I'm just gonna work him good. Oh my gosh, are you?
All right, we may have to follow him.
Yeah, please feel it. I just gotta keep you tight as possible.
Easy. Don't horse him, man. Come down here, Ellie. Ben, you got long arms. I'm going to have you run this camera.
Oh gosh, he's running at me again. Gosh, this thing is huge.
Get ready to get it in the water. So when we're in the water,
oh, he's gonna jump.
Crank on him. All right, get that tip on.
All right, I'm going to the front. I'm going to the front.
He's eating this, Sammy.
No! No, that... Oh!
Stay back. You'll take your hand off. Well, we're keeping this guy occupied over here, bro. Oh, you better hurry up because he's on the loose again. What do you think you got?
Barracuda.
Oh, you sure?
Oh, there he is, there he is. Oh, tuna, tuna, tuna. Big tuna, big tuna. Oh my
We're gonna
gosh.
do this in the front. There's a 6 foot.
You can get
Get him in, get him in, get him in. This guy is gonna eat us. All right, come on, dude. Crank down, get him in fast.
Get him, get him.
Here he comes, here he comes. Get him over here, just keep him coming. How did you get him in with that?
I don't know.
There is a beast on the side of the boat. He is just destroying that. Oh my goodness. Oh,
I thought it was a barracuda.
look at this, Jamie. He is.
I can gap. There's two. Wait, we're here, two. Can I? We can't. They have to be. Oh no, that is one trophy fish. One oversized.
What happened? Did he come up?
Oh, I pulled the rope up and he jumped, Dad. He's right there.
Here you go. Keep
your
that
hand up.
buried underneath your
Hand up,
shoulder.
put it down
Keep
the
the
grip.
tip up. Ben, come back here, buddy. Go under me. Go under me. Brandon, where are you at?
Right here.
All right, here, take this pole. This boat.
No, Ellie, put this in the live well.
Brandon, damn this pole. Do not think you're out.
Ben, you got him? Yep.
Keep that tip up, buddy. This way.
Oh,
Oh, it's a grouper. He came all the way up and ate that. Dude, that's almost a keeper. That is bizarre. We're in 73 feet of water and he came up to the surface. That tells you how many fish feed on them.
Is that a black?
You need to get a picture taken with that. Here you go, buddy.
Is that a black
He's
or
got
a
teeth,
gag?
so
That's a gag.
just suck it up. You're gonna feel it, but
Yeah, that's
it
a
only
gag.
bleeds for a minute. Gag grouper. Good job, Ben.
Okay, guys, we're letting him go.
I got pictures on your phone.
Dad, come up here.
All
Help, 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 help. Dad, I think you need
All
to
right.
take this.
Nope.
No, I got it.
Jamie,
Well, Dad helps.
Just
Ellie,
help
let
her.
go.
Help her like you are, honey.
Got it?
Rod.
All right, girl. This is all you, baby girl.
I think that's a
Get it
giant
buried
tuna.
down here. Go. Do not stop reeling. Just keep reeling. This hand is high up in the rubber. You gotta get this up. That's a tuna. Look at the head shakes.
Come on, sister.
4, 5.
Pump, reel down. Ready? Reel.
Hurry up. I'm gonna get all these in the live well.
Here he comes. He's running away from something, probably a shark.
Oh gosh, please don't eat it.
Oops. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, what is it?
Okay.
Big tuna.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I got the gap. Don't worry
I'm
about
good.
that.
Brandon, come up here.
Yep. It's huge.
Oh,
Come on, sis.
Tuna. It's a tuna.
all right, give me
Oh
the,
yeah, baby.
It's a tuna, it's a tuna.
Brandon.
It's huge.
I need. Jamie.
Colin.
Oh, that's a big tuna, Ellie.
You all right?
Back up. I don't want to fall in.
Catching a tuna, baby.
You're good. Nothing's around it. That's a big tuna. That's a nice one, Ellie. Good job. Ben, you have a fish too. You have a fish
Let me
too.
put it in my.
Ben has a fish too. Let the.
Come here.
The bail wasn't open?
Ready?
Your thing won this. Yeah, I know.
Crank.
That's a fresh bait. Oh, good job.
Crank.
Oh my.
There it is, Al.
He's just pinwheeling on me. Crank. Crank.
Oh yeah, you got him, Ellie. You got your tuna.
Oh, please don't get eaten. Ready?
No, you're good.
Crank.
And girl, you caught that all by yourself. That
we
was
go.
all
Here we go.
you.
Crank.
I got you.
You hooked him all by yourself?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Brandon, you do want to get him in the
Oh
head.
my.
Oh my gosh, that thing's huge!
It's huge, Ellie!
Jamie, you're first.
That is huge!
I think that's bigger than my biggest.
I can't.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
Ellie, come here. All right. Let me get that out.
Yep.
Please.
Oh, Ben's got one.
Wait. It's bigger than mine, Ellie. There he is.
Keep reeling, buddy.
You got it. Number 2 in a row. You running towards you? Keep tight on him the whole time.
Keep reeling, buddy.
You got it. Keep on him, Ben. This is a fish. Yep, keep going. He's running towards you. Is he running towards you anymore? Yeah. No, he's not. Okay.
I got my first blackfin.
No, you're fine. Ben, he's gonna do that. Just let him. Hey, get down a little bit. Ben.
Yeah, Daddy got you, honey.
Oh, God. Real. Hold on. Give him a second. That's a big tuna.
All right.
He got it. He's good. He just took a big run. Hand up
Brandon,
high.
come here.
Brandon, let me see that for a minute. That tuna's bleeding out back there. We'll worry about him in a minute,
I'm
okay?
getting another bait on.
Go, crank. Crank.
Let's weigh it.
But-
Okay, he's running towards us.
As fast as you can. Keep the tip
No,
up.
he's not.
Do not let your pole straight. Keep the tip up so the pole can work for you, okay? Keep it up there, buddy. All right, keep cranking. Try not to pull too hard up here off the handle. The pole will break.
Oh, just getting a better grip.
Come on, man. Tip up.
All right, ready?
All right, you're tight. Just work them in. Now reel down, game.
32.
When you get them coming.
Oh my gosh. Whip half of his blood out. I had
Wait. 30.
30-pound tuna.
30-pound tuna. Hey,
All right, well, we'll celebrate that victory, and hopefully we can celebrate one more.
Yeah.
You guys better say a little prayer here. Come on, pump down now. Don't get that pole too vertical.
Go in there.
All right, come on, work. He's turned the whole boat. He's gonna get eaten. We gotta get him up.
You don't see it yet, bud.
Oh, yeah,
Crank
Ben.
him in. Crank him in.
Yeah, it is.
Crank him in.
Blackfin.
Nice, Benji.
Woo!
Holy cow. We're in the money.
That's 3. 3.
Hey, Ben.
I can't. Hey, Ellie. Hey, come here.
Look what he caught it on.
7 foot, medium heavy, fast.
My hand's
Action.
stuck like
Fast action, 12 to 20 pound mono. Oh yeah, that's a light rod.
All right.
Ian.
Well,
just
what do you
started.
think, buddy?
Well, I'm excited, but not as excited as Brandon was.
But still your first one.
Look at mine.
Ellie's is the biggest one. King Tut.
That's why we stay till dark, guys. No other boats to contend with. Well, we're back. It's obviously the next day. Didn't get in until kind of late. A lot of life out there yesterday. Love to have that kind of action. It's so exciting. So hopefully the video shows some of that. Anyway, take a look, man. We got 2 coolers full. I had to cut the tails off these. They wouldn't fit. There's Ellie's big one. One more underneath that one. There's the Bonito. Another tuna in there. We just pulled him out. They were submerged in ice all night long. Back towards the head. And I'm gonna start right here, find the backbone. There's, see that plate that runs around here? It's crazy. That's where that fin drops into. Let's see if I can pop it out of there. Look at that. It just always amazes me when I see this. Look at that. But there's like a hard ridge that runs around that, so you gotta kind of go over the top of it. Almost looks like a patch on a tire tube. Right back down to the backbone. Sorry about the plane noise, guys. Now the other way to do this, especially on bigger tuna, see the bones right here? That's your lateral line. Now what's cool about a lateral line on some fish, you can see how like when fish swim together, they're always, they stay in unison. How they do that is beyond me, but they say that this lateral line that fish have, it senses. You ever had that feeling like somebody's watching me or somebody's next to me and you don't see them, but you have that feeling? They say that that lateral line gives that fish that sensation of what's close to them. So it, with this lateral line, allows them to feel predators close to them, and then also to swim in their schools in unison. It's pretty bizarre stuff. But we can follow that right down here. Leave that bloodline and that bone right on the carcass. See how much nicer that is? Now you don't have to deal with that.
Wow.
You don't have to deal with all of that. And we can come back in here and we will trim some of this stuff out and get some of the whiter meat. But look, that's all your bloodline. Now let's go on the other side of it. Like this. Come right down. Just like that. Work my way down. Work my way down the ribs. So hard to stay out of the way from the camera, guys. There's that belly. Go right over that. Boy, this meat is so cold. Boom. Just gonna trim away some of this bloodline. Now we'll do some more trimming on this in the house. I'll clean up the majority of it in the house. I'm just gonna get it cleaned up a little bit. Now we'll skin this. Top loin, beautiful piece of meat. These, we're gonna make them into super simple steaks, guys. A few minutes. All you gotta do is sear it on both sides and just don't overcook it. That's my opinion. If you wanna cook it all the way through, go for it. But anyways, I'm gonna trim these up and we're gonna get to cooking. I'm gonna maybe not use this section for steak, but that'll make great sashimi. So probably close to 2 inches thick. Look at that. So beautiful. Nice thick steaks. Steven's here. We're gonna make some sashimi, but look at that, guys. I mean, come on. We just caught that last night. If that doesn't make your mouth water, just wait till you see how we prepare it. It's gonna be amazing. Now we're gonna use a little bit of pink Himalayan. We're gonna use a lot because these are super thick steaks. Fresh ground pepper. All right, we're gonna do both sides like that. The meat's dry, okay, so the seasonings will stick to it. If I would have put the olive oil on first, the seasonings wouldn't have adhered as well. So we're gonna let that sit for just a couple of minutes. See how that salt is pulling the moisture out of the meat? So I'm just gonna pat the sides that are gonna go on the grill. And then we'll flip them over. Just roll them around on all that oil and seasoning that's right on the cutting board. Awesome. There you go. This sucker's getting hot. Yep, getting hot. See what it sounds like. Ooh, that sounds about right. Now, when you're doing this, if you got a hood fan, it's good to use because you're going to get some smoke. It's just the way it is, but it smells great. And don't buy rubber tongs because rubber and olive oil don't mix. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I would say that's kind of warm. That's what we're looking for. How beautiful is that? Smells fantastic though. I mean, I'm not really worried if my house smells like that because it does not smell like fish. It smells almost like you were cooking a nice steak or something. Are you kidding me? This piece right here, that's for the chef. You know what? It's terrible. I'll just take this. You guys figure the rest out yourself.
Sounds good.
I ate so much of it so fast. My tongue's out there.
What do you think, babe? Did
Excellent.
you try the seared stuff?
So good.
Not yet. That's really good.
I can tell because you're eating it in between words.
I'm gonna add some more heat.
Really? You're a glutton for punishment.
Yum.
She's sweating already, guys.
The one with the caviar on it's so good.
This is caviar?
Yeah, mullet eggs.
Oh my gosh. That stuff is hot.
Yeah, it
I
is.
didn't realize it was hot.
Don't use much.
You give me water?
There's no more.
You don't need it.
My Gatorade.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I just was outside and somebody came up and was talking to me. Subscriber to our channel, so that's awesome. And we're gonna give him a big steak. Okay, so this is our buddy Ben. We just met him a little while ago.
Hey.
Loves to fish. Been down here, what, 3 years?
3 years now, yeah.
So, anyways, this is a big top loin.
Never had my own tuna.
Oh, this
Looking
is
forward to it.
fantastic. But anyways, here you go, man.
I appreciate it.
I have cleaned the coolers and the table. I've used enough bleach today to kill anything. So I know we're social distancing. Well, fishing soon, aren't we?
Yeah, that'll
as
be
soon as they
awesome.
let us get out and about.
As soon as they open some ramps up.
Yeah. Y'all know these guys. You've never seen her because she doesn't like to be on camera, but today she is. This is my brother Doug and Joyce, his beautiful wife. I'm getting you your top loin, okay?
That's my little granddaughter.
That's your little granddaughter right there.
What's up, girl? It's already cooked.
It's amazing. And then my little lady, that's all right, Uncle Grandpa Doug. Oh, yeah.
Love you.
I gotta tell you guys, whether I put this in the video or not, Doug has throat cancer, and we just found that out. So do me a favor and pray for him. We love him a lot. So I'd give you a hug, but I can't. I'm not supposed
You
to.
guys, you know, I love you, and you're a part of my family.
God's with you, man.
I know that. I feel him every day. I talk to him a couple times a day, maybe sometime more.
Yep.
You know, and you've been a big part of that.
Well, we appreciate it.
Getting my spiritual connection back in contact, because I let all that go when
Yeah, things happen.
yeah, things happen. So
Oh, I know your
Thank
wife. Your wife never has given up her faith, or
she's not giving up on me.
we love you
You know.
guys.
Bye, Joyce. Bye, Doug.
Love you guys.
Love you
See
too.
guys, okay?
Bye, Ben.
And it won't be long, and he'll be taller than me.
You're on your tippy toes.
So, guys,
Hey.
I want an honest opinion. What did you think about the tuna?
It was
amazing.
really good.
Gotta
It's like, it had
stack up on it.
It had like a perfect texture to it, like the way you cooked it. I liked it a lot.
It
And
was
then,
good.
then I left my plate in here to go talk to somebody, and it was gone.
It was
That
sorry,
was bad.
man.
That person normally don't like cooked tuna, but that was actually really good.
Really? She is. You're all about
She's
the
like,
sushi.
I only like raw.
Yeah.
That's good.
do you even like?
What about
do you like
you,
the
Steve-O?
California rolls?
No.
I've had that tuna cooked before at a restaurant, but it tastes identical. It's really good. I like it like calf cooked like that.
Yep. Did
but-
you like the sashimi? Because I made that special for you.
Yeah, I have a sushi problem. I like sushi a lot.
Yeah. What about you, Ben?
I love sushi too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I like the sushi better than the.
He liked Brandon's plate as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that why there's no sushimi left?
Yeah.
Because
At least I better get it bagged then, I guess.
oh yeah, there's plenty to go around, and you have the bonita.
The Bonito too, yeah.
Yeah, and that actually, we bled that thing out. It looks
It
fantastic.
does look really good.
We forgot to pray before we ate, so we will. But God knows our hearts, and He knows your heart, and let's just stay positive through these tough times. It sounds like we've turned the corner, and we're all healthy, and we hope you guys are all healthy, and we love you. Thank you so much for watching and letting us be a part of your lives, and we appreciate everything and all your prayers. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.
We're out of here.